Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this algebral equation where we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals 12. And the question here is, are we getting two solutions or three solutions since we have a quadratic and a cubic equation? So here we are going to take the one of the highest power, which is x to the power of 3. So which means we are getting three solutions. So let's see how we can do this. So here we take this one to this side, and this is x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 12 equals 0. And next is we are going to break this down based on the corresponding power. And here we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus, so the first one comes with 4 minus 8 equals 0. And again, we try to pair it. We combine this with this, and we combine this with this. Here we have x to the power of 2 minus 4, this in parentheses, minus, so when we take this out as well, we are going to have this as negative, and here in parentheses is x to the power of 3 plus 8 equals 0. And why is this positive? Because this is negative, this is negative. Yeah. So because of this parenthesis, when we open this parenthesis with negative, all this becomes negative as we have here. Again, we are going to express this in exponent form. And here we have x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 in parentheses minus, also we have this as x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. Next we have, this is difference of 2 square, and this is sum of 2 cube, where this difference of 2 square, when we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, we have this as a square minus, we have a minus b, and here is a plus b. So similarly, when we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, we are going to have this as a plus b bracket a square plus b square plus minus a b. And so we are going to have, so by applying these two identity in what we have here, we are going to arrive at, for the first one is x minus 2 in bracket, open bracket, x plus 2. All these are together. Then we have minus, open bracket, so for a plus b is going to be x plus 2 in parentheses, open bracket, so we have this as x square plus 2 square minus 2x. So for the second one, and everything equals 0. And on getting to this, let's look at the first bracket and the second bracket. What is common to them is x plus 2. And by factoring that one out, we are going to have x plus 2 in bracket. So when we take this one out, we are left with x minus 2 here. And why for this one? This is negative. It comes with it. Then there remains x squared plus 2 squared minus 2x. Let's try to put that in bracket first. We have this as x squared plus, so 2 squared is 4, and here is minus 2x, all in bracket, everything equals 0. So next we have this as x plus 2 in bracket, open bracket. So let's try to expand this with negative. Here is x minus 2 we have minus x squared. Minus times plus is minus 4, and minus times minus, we have plus 2x equals 0. So here is x plus 2 in bracket, open bracket. We have this as minus x squared. So here is x plus 2x, that gives us 3x, and minus 2 minus 4, that gives us minus 6 equals 0. Then we are going to let the first one, which is x plus 2 equals 0, and from here we get x equals minus 2. As I said earlier, that we are getting 3 solutions, and here is one of the solutions we get, which is the real part of this. And let's try to solve this as well. Here we have minus x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Let's try to multiply the whole of this with negative to avoid starting this equation with negative. So by doing that, we have x squared minus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Next, here is a quadratic equation where we have a equals 1, b equals minus 3, and we have c equals 6. All right, so we try to plug it in this equation, which is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so we get all this from this. Coefficient of x squared is a, which is 1. Coefficient of x is b, which is minus 3, and c is a constant value. So let's plug all these things in this equation. We have x equals, this is minus already, this is another minus, it becomes 3 plus or minus square root of, so minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. So here we have x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus, here gives us 36. Sorry, 4 multiplied by 6, that is 24 divided by 2. So we have x equals 3 plus or minus square root of, so by taking this from here, let's say we take 9 out of minus 24, what we are going to have is, I think, 15. So we have 15, but it comes as negative divided by 2. So we have negative in a root, but how can we go with this negative in a root? Suppose we have square root of minus 1, that gives I. So which means we can break this into minus 1 multiplied by 15, and therefore we have x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 15, then I divided by 2. But let's take a look at this. Here is a complex solution because of this imaginary value called iota. So here is the other two solutions for the given algebral problem above. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel when you find this video interesting. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.